The repeat while loop. A repeat while loop also contains a condition and a set of statements in curly braces, but it executes the statements first before checking the condition, repeating until the condition returns false. Here's what it looks like. We have repeat, then our code, and then the condition. Initially, X is type and run the following code. Let me comment out these lines. So if I run this code, I get X is equal to 30, X is equal to 35, 40, 45, 50. Same code running on all three. Initially, X is set to 0. The statements inside the curly braces are executed. The value of X is incremented by 5, so now X contains 5. And X is 5 is printed in the debug area. The X is less than 50 condition is checked, and since it returns true, the loop is repeated. The value of X is incremented by 5. So now X contains 10 and X is 10 is printed in the debug area. The loop is repeated until X contains 50. At this point, X is less than 50 returns false and the loop stops. The statements in the curly braces will be executed at least once, even if the condition is false. To begin with, try changing the value of X to 100 to see this. This concludes the section on loops. Summary. In this chapter, you looked at closed and half-open range operators, which allow you to specify a range of numbers rather than specifying every individual number discretely. You also learned about the three different loop types: the for-in loop, the while loop, and the repeat while loop, and how best to use them depending on the situation. You are now able to write your own programs that use range operators to specify a range of numbers and use loops to easily perform repetitive tasks. You are also able to determine which type of loop is best suited to your program. In the next chapter, you will study collection types, which allow you to store a collection of data that can be referenced by an index or a collection of key value pairs.